You want to say hi to the camera? Hello. We are going to the Atlanta United game. It's my first ever sports event.
Hey.
At the Mercedes-Benz Stadium. I know. I was like, I'm not a true sports person, but.
I feel you.
So we have 5 minutes until our Uber gets here. And would you like to show your outfits?
Oh yeah.
Are you still getting ready?
Well, I'm still getting ready, so.
Okay.
I just realized like
she is still getting ready. I'll just have to catch her walking into the stadium, I guess. You have driver arriving in 4 minutes.
Oh, okay. Let's go because it's gonna take time for us to get down that elevator.
Going to the game. I'm so excited. We're sitting in a club suite and we have food and unlimited wine and beer. So she is providing me with the ultimate experience for my first sporting event. But yeah, we'll report back. I gotta go put my shoes on and head downstairs, but.
I can be a guest.
I know.
You'll get some good content. She's not from Nashville. She's just been living in Nashville for the last 4 years. 5 years at this point.
See, you're from Nashville at this point.
Don't do that.
Okay.
Don't do that. I'd be from Baltimore.
She's from Baltimore. She's from Nigeria. She's from Atlanta.
Everywhere.
She lived everywhere. But yeah, we lost. This was my first sporting event. That was technically my second. I've been to NBA games before.
Yeah.
But that was like in college a long time ago.
The first event at the Mercedes-Benz Stadium.
Yes.
Cheers.
Oh crap.
Water cheers.
It was fun. I love the suite. I ate the entire time. If you want to keep me awake, just feed me.
Unlimited food and beer and wine. And then hard seltzers, which I think is nice.
Yeah. All right. This was a great experience. Thank you for bringing me.
Thank you for coming with me.
Joke.
You almost had it.
I know. I panicked.
It's okay.
Okay. Me and my cousin just got back from Atlanta United. This is the outfit I wore. Got my High Museum jacket on. Love the jacket. Eritzy on the top and the bottom. Jay's on my feet. And yeah.
That's